Hi, I am Ms. Fares. I teach Biomedical Detectives. This class is teaching students how to look for different clues and give them hints on what could be going on in the human body. The first section deals with vital signs. They teach the students how to take blood pressure, temperature. The second section is about nervous system, both peripheral and central nervous system. Peripheral meaning everything that our senses can input to our brain, and the central nervous system is basically our brain and a spinal cord. Finally, the last section is a big outbreak where students have to figure out where the outbreak started, what caused it, right, and give recommendations regarding different treatments to follow. One of the best skills these students harness while they're in my class is, number one, research, how to do correct research the most efficient way, and second of all, presentations. We're huge on presentations. So students have a lot of opportunities to grow on presentations and how to public speak.
And one of my favorite things about the class is that I get to really learn about the human body and all of its anatomy, and that can really help me, especially because I want to be in the medical field when I'm older. And it just helps me get a better understanding of the human body and everything inside of it, and all the diseases can help me really when I need to find out if something's wrong with someone and if I just need a diagnosis. So that really helps.